What is Bigin? Bigin is a simple and powerful CRM designed specifically for small businesses. It helps you manage your entire business journey seamlessly, from capturing new contacts to closing deals with confidence. With Bigin, you can clearly visualize how each deal progresses through your sales pipeline. You can easily manage contact information and keep track of every interaction, whether it's through emails, phone calls, social media, or other communication channels. In the early stages of a business, managing operations can feel simple. A spreadsheet here, a few sticky notes there, and things seem under control. But as your business grows, this approach quickly becomes limiting. You need visibility. You need clarity. You need a complete picture of how your business is truly performing. That level of insight simply isn't possible with scattered spreadsheets and notes. You need something more. A single tool that brings everything together and helps you move forward with confidence. And that tool is Bigin. With Bigin, you get everything you need to kickstart your business growth, all in one simple, easy-to-use CRM. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.